Look at that crispiness bacon. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. You guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is about to do a delicious candy bacon. You guys, if you're with me for the first time, make sure you thumbs this video straight up, subscribe to this channel, and yes, come join your girl. So today, you guys, we have some thick sliced bacon. We have some brown sugar. We have some cayenne. Is that Cayenne? Cajun. I don't know. But anyway, follow me, you guys. Okay. So, and we have some syrup. Now, typically you use maple syrup. Well, your girl don't have maple syrup and she's not running out to go get it. But she's in the mood for some candy bacon. So if you guys is ready, let me prep and show you guys. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little brown sugar, a little of this cayenne pepper, you guys, and some maple syrup. And we're going to put a mixture on just enough to spread over a couple of slices of bacon, you guys. So if you think that is something good, stick around. Okay, guys. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Well, let's go with 3. Okay. And I'm going to add approximately 2 teaspoons of cayenne. You guys know my mind is not with me. I'm just beginning to make new videos, and we're gonna add us some brown sugar. Syrup, you guys. I'm sorry once again. Some of you know I'm just getting back to the videos. Any previous videos you have saw was already pre-recorded. So your girl is going to go ahead and she's going to mix this mixture on up. Because that's what we're going to put onto our bacon. And we're going to sit this aside. Okay, so now we have our bacon right here, you guys, and we're going to brush our bacon. I'm trying to hold it down because I don't want you guys to hear all of that rocking. I'm sorry for all the rocking, you guys. But my plate doesn't fit evenly. But we just want to slap it on here. Because now we're going to lay it onto the rack. You want to make sure that, you know what, I'm going to layer it this way. I probably have to go back over it, but we're going to go on and layer it this way. You guys, I hope I'm not getting out of your view. And we're just going to fit this last one somewhere on here. Somehow. Let's just fit it right on in here. And we're going to get this plate out the way. Now, you can coat both sides if you like, but I'm not. So we're going to go and put this on in. Okay, so we have our bacon in. We're going to power on. And we're going to go ahead and set it to 30 minutes, but it's not going to quite cook for 30 minutes, you guys. As you see, that bacon is in there. And we're going to see what it does. You guys, if you are enjoying the air fry videos, please thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, come join your girl. I would love to meet you. But I need a comment below. I need you guys to thumbs this video up, help support the channel so we can go in a new direction. Share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. Guys, we're going to check this bacon out. Look at that. It is doing its thing, doing its sizzling. You guys, if you can smell the aroma in the kitchen, it is a beautiful thing. So yeah, this is candied bacon, and it's a simple recipe that was in the recipe book that your girl just wanted to mimic. Okay, so let's see what it turns out to be. And they should be crispy upon completion of this video. Now guys, I am speechless. This takes every bit of 15 minutes, you guys, because we're really at the end, but it's only 15 minutes into. So I'm going to cut that off. And we're going to pull these right on out. So keep watching it, you guys. Let's pour this out. Oh my goodness. Look at this crispiness. Look at that crispiness. Bacon. So we're going to let that cool for a second. Look at the glaze on it. You guys, check that bacon out. Okay. So yes, that's how you make apple. What am I talking about, apple? You guys, I got something else on my mind, okay? follow me, okay? But that's our candy bacon, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. But yeah, your girl is going to go in here and she's going to try this bacon for you guys. If you hear any rubber, that's because I'm putting on my glove. Let's see, you guys. Look at that crispiness. Look at there. Okay. Mmm. 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 You guys got to try this recipe. Not too spicy. Mmm. 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 You guys, this is a delicious bacon. You hear that crunch? Mmm. Here you guys a piece. Mm-hmm. Now, how was it? I told you it was terrific. Go ahead, try this recipe. Share with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And if you're viewing me for the first time, don't forget. Come, leave a comment. Come join your fam. So I know where to go. You guys, this is so good. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I really appreciate each and every one that shows me love. I really do. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.